What's up, guys? Corey back once again with GNCRC with another unboxing. Alright guys, most of you know what this is, so we're just going to jump right into this thing. I got my trusty unboxing knife. By the way, guys, if you want some cool knives, go over and check out the link below in the description. So you guys know what this is. So as you open the cardboard box, you get the box and you get a manual. Let you guys see some of the features. FMS FCX24. This is the power wagon. Pause that, guys, if you want to read those. All right, let's jump right into it. All right, first of all, the nice FMS packaging box. This is one thing I did like about the FJ Cruiser. So let's just go ahead and open this thing. Right off the bat, we have extra parts. I'm not sure really what that is. It's part of the gift because I was part of the first 100 people to order on Amazon. So like the parts that you attach to the rear, which I'm probably not going to use that. We have the battery, traditional charger, but most of us pretty much used to the USB charger, and a tool set here. And this is the battery for the rear. And we have a sticker set. O-rings and more stickers. Power wagon. I don't know if you guys can see that. Let's get back to the gift. Bottom cap, front portal axle, differential set. I guess I go online and I can order one of these. All right, first of all, the radio. It's pretty small. I don't know how much I like this design. You got several different things on top right there. Something I'll get into later. If I decide to keep this truck, I'm going to change to my Spectrum radio for sure. But it looks like it has quite a few features. We'll go over this later. All right, now let's get to the truck itself. Of course, I chose the red. And at first I thought it was a brighter red, but it's more like a maroon red. Tires feel like they have no foam. These are 1.2s if I'm not mistaken. Suspension feels, I don't know, it feels decent. I don't know how much flex it's gonna actually have. I can tell you right off the bat, the servo is not hitting anything. That's good. And at first glance, this looks quite a bit bigger than a FCX24. Like I say, guys, no foams in the tires whatsoever. They're not hard tires like they look. They're actually pretty soft. I just think they would benefit from some foam. I could be wrong. It may work fine without foam. And the rear setup, so they out of the box they come with a cage. I'm not going to use that cage. I decided against that cage a long time ago. So far, the only thing I really don't like is the body not being a bright red, which I thought it was a bright red. It has a little windshield wipers here. That's pretty cool. Headlights, pretty cool. Doesn't look bad at all in person. All right, let's see how this top come off. I think they said something about this was like something that only took like 5 seconds to take off. Let's just see. I don't know how it come off, guys, so this is my first time. And don't forget to unplug your lights. All right, so the way this thing comes off, it is prongs right here and here. Now, I don't know how I like that. And you guys know me, I'm like a magnet person. So I can see myself maybe cutting that off, both of these off. And I don't know, some kind of way attaching a magnet here. And I would have to put those magnets here. And you'll notice that these headlights are on 2 separate wires, I guess. Body is a hard body, so it's really solid. All right, this is the part we want to get to. The ESC, I heard a lot of people say ESC receiver combo is much like the RCAWD fire horse. I think that's whoever made the fire horse. So you have a whole bunch of features as far as lights and all. And for the guys who've been watching my channel, you know this is probably the first thing that I'll get rid of. Your servo that switched the gear in the transmission itself, and the motor. I'm not really sure how many turn motor this is. I'm sure it's on the website. I think we looked at it, but I can't really remember. This is a Power Dash. Power Dash RS. It's a 130. The suspension feels pretty good though. Won't really know until we get this thing out there and run it. Feels pretty doable. There are your portals. And this doesn't have that real big pumpkin ball like some of the other FMS models. So it's a little bit lower profile, I guess you would say, in that way. I don't think these are metal drive shafts. I think they're plastic. I don't know about the gears on the inside. That's something else that we would check out at some point. You got your C-hubs here for your portals. Servo here. This doesn't touch that in any kind of way, so that's good. Has quite a bit of flex. This may benefit from a different style shock. I don't know. I'm not a double barrel guy, but I think maybe some double barrels with some droop. These are not the 4-link. These are 3-link. And I could have sworn I read somewhere where it's supposed to be 4-link, but these are 3-link. That is where your servo changes the transmission. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm going to compare it to a FCX24. I'm going to grab one of those and just compare the size. We're going to compare this to my stock FCX24 Bronco. First of all, the paint, yeah, it's a night and day difference. I love this color, but you know, I thought this was more of a brighter red. But as you can see right off the bat, this thing is much wider, a whole lot wider, which is probably not a big deal because we tend to widen our rigs anyway. The wheels are almost in the same place, to be honest. But this rig is a whole lot wider. It's got quite a bit of size on it. You know, I don't know if you can call this a true 24. I don't know. But I guess this is really not a true 24 either. This is more of a 20th scale. But then again, maybe this Power Wagon, I guess the Power Wagon is bigger than a Bronco in real life. I don't really know how much I like this system as far as how the body goes on, because I think those prongs are going to be a weak point. So one other question everybody always asks, the wheels. Let's just pull these off, and I'm going to throw on, let's just make sure they're the same size. Same hex, of course, guys. I'm just going to compare one of my Injora Rock Terrain tires to these, which are the stock tires from this particular truck. So size-wise, these are almost just as tall. So we're going to put one of these on here just to see. Axle is a little bit larger than these. So let's try a stock Gladiator tire. So we'll compare stock to stock. Night and day difference, guys. Whole lot taller. Let's pop one of these on. So of course, guys, they fit right on. But you notice this tire almost look crazy compared to these. So you got a bunch of wheel options because they do have wheels that are like 1.1 or 1.2, I think. But I think these would look pretty good on there. So yeah, you're gonna definitely need a bigger wheel and tire combo, or maybe just a bigger tire for your regular 1.0 wheels. So hopefully, guys, we'll get a chance to test this thing over the weekend. Maybe even before. It just depends on how the work week goes. It's actually almost midnight and I'm recording this video. I just want to get this video out, guys. But I want to thank you guys again for all the support. Stay tuned for more video from the FMS FCX24. Thanks for watching, guys.